A Czech appeals court has given the green light for the extradition of the 52-year-old Indian man Nikhil Gupta to the United States. Gupta stands accused by the US federal prosecutors of collaborating with an Indian government official in an alleged plot to assassinate Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun residing in New York. The Prague High Court has upheld the lower court's decision, which has permitted Gupta's extradition despite his defense claims of mistaken identity and political motivation. The final decision now rests with Justice Minister Pavel Blazek. The ministry spokesperson has said that the final say on Gupta's extradition now lies with the Justice Minister Pavel Blazek. The determination will be made once all parties have received the court's decision. However, the timeline for the decision remains uncertain as of now. Gupta, who was arrested in the Czech Republic on 30th of June at the request of the US, faces the charge of murder for hire and conspiracy to commit murder for hire. Each count carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison. Gupta's defense centers on the case of mistaken identity, asserting that he is not the individual sought by the US authorities and labeled the case as a politically motivated one. Despite Gupta's appeal against the lower court's decision, the Prague High Court has upheld the ruling, leaving the final decision in the hand of Justice Minister of Czech Republic. The US Justice Department has also charged Gupta on November 20 for his alleged involvement in the murder plot. The US officials claim that Gupta had agreed to pay $100,000 to an assassination with an advance payment of $15,000 already made on 9th of June 2023. However, the individual he contacted turned out to be a confidential source working for the US law enforcement. A US official has stated that the Gupta's alleged involvement in the murder for hire plot is a serious matter. He had agreed to pay a substantial amount for the assassination, but unfortunately the individual he approached was working undercover for the law enforcement. Terming the charge as a matter of concern, the New Delhi has also announced a high-level probe into the allegations, emphasizing that they are contrary to the government policy. A spokesperson said that the charges against Gupta are a matter of concern. The government is launching a high-level probe to investigate the allegations and determine the facts surrounding the case. The charges go against the government policies. Now, as the extradition case awaits Justice Minister's decision, the case continues to raise questions about the international cooperation and the complexity surrounding the extradition proceedings.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.